Hi, ma'am.
Hi, hi,
Hello, Zoya. How are you?
hello. I'm fine. How are you?
I'm good too, thank you. So, again, thank you so much for
I
joining our
like
live.
the background. I like the background which is there behind you.
Yeah, I'd like to show you
Yeah,
that. So that's
yeah.
fine.
The color which is there, the red and black is my favorite color. Like I like the red and black color combination a lot. So
Okay,
whenever
that's
if
cool.
I'm buying a sari or dress, I moreover prefer red color. I don't know why everyone say red, red. What you like a red in lot in red. But when it comes to red and golden, red and black, I'm like damn crazy for that.
Even I love
Yeah,
red. More of an orange person, but
yeah,
yes. So, again, thank you
yeah.
so much for joining our live.
Hmm.
Okay, we are so, so,
Yeah,
so, so, so
yeah,
happy to have you here. And before I
yeah.
could run you through my questions and bug you, with all my questions for some time, I just want to ask you one single thing. So that is from taking on stage and having a difficult time to come out and tell your parents, being scared about things and so many things. It's a great transformation. From that to being a spotlight to being one of the pride in India. How does it feel? How does it feel to be here?
I
How does it feel
feel
to attend so many interviews?
I feel very proud and like I feel very energetic that yeah there are few there now it's been an opportunity where there are few people who have started knowing me. They are giving me an opportunity on their platform, and even like I feel very much, I feel very good that at the last I'm getting a platform where I could talk behalf of my community, what my community is facing an issue, what my community is getting discriminated by society. For them I can speak what problems my community people are facing. I can speak those issues. Then it's a mental stress issue or it's a discrimination regarding anything. I can speak, you know. So this
Yeah.
platform helps me a lot to acknowledge people regarding LGBTQIA or regarding transgenders, whatever myths or whatever this thing are there, misunderstandings are there in between them.
Okay. So as much as you're proud, we are super proud. Okay. So keep going because photography is a totally different. I don't know how that even. I'll come up with those questions later. But right
Even
now, yes. Yeah.
hello. Yeah, even for
Yes, Zoya.
me, photography was not that. For me, I had not chosen as a career long before. My dream was to be an IS IPS, but apparently, we say this. It took me that long far way, and like today, I am enjoying even my career. I'm enjoying it really a lot.
Yeah. And
I can say destination.
yeah. So that's great. So
Destination takes you a long way.
true, 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 true. And we are super proud of you. Okay.
Thank you so much.
So
So we will start.
yeah, we'll go with the questions. So don't mind me just looking now because I'm reading out the questions. I cannot remember
Yeah,
so
yeah,
many
yeah.
things. I have a bad memory, so just don't mind. Okay.
It's okay, it's okay.
So
Not an issue.
okay, yeah. So first I'll go with the first question. So what made you choose photography as a career option? Okay. So what
So, you
exactly
know
made you choose?
what?
Because this is something out of the box.
So the thing happened, I was not much sure that I would be into photojournalism or into photography because from my childhood time, I loved science a lot. And my dream was to be a scientist. But then again, from scientist, I turned myself into painting. And then from painting I turned myself into little bit of gardening, and from there I turned myself that I decided I want to be an IAS or I want to be an IPS. I wanted to go into armed forces, but then I got my way. I got to know myself, who I am, what I am, and then again there was little bit of lack of education also. But then photography for me was like the thing is that where I can say a artist uses a canvas board to paint his painting, to do his fine art,
Exactly.
to create a scenery or to create a portrait. So painting is also the same. The photography is also the same way. We paint through this viewfinder, and we use our lens as a brush, and we capture it in our camera. So
Beautifully told.
it's
Okay.
yeah, it's that way which gave me a push, a career into photojournalism.
That's so nice. So exactly, like again, you're making memories. So you're capturing
Yeah,
memories, and that memories are gonna stay forever. So that's a
yeah,
beautiful
and
thing.
this memory stays for a long, long, long period
Yes. Yeah. Very
because
true.
there are decades of generations will come and they'll get to know about this. Even still, if photography was there, that's why we can see Mahatma Gandhi's picture, right?
Exactly. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. If photography is there, then we are seeing several leaders who are not present right now because of photography. We are seeing them. So it's a memory.
Yeah.
So there's one question. Hello, what's one of your
So you can
favorite
answer.
photograph captured by me? So one of my favorite photo which is captured by me in my profile, if you all see, there is a couple of birds. There are two birds who are sitting in a couple and like they're facing each other. So that's one of my favorite photo from the day one I visited that particular village, and from that time I was behind those birds that I'll capture them by my lens, and they used to fly away. They used to get distracted, and they used to fly away. But one fine day, the last day when I was supposed to leave that village, getting back to Bombay, afternoon time, after having my lunch, I came out to rest, and I saw this couple of birds sitting up on the trees. I ran inside, I bought my camera, and I took their pictures, and finally, I got those perfect photos of those birds.
I know you need to have a lot of patience to take a
Yeah,
perfect moment, especially when it's about animals, animals and
wildlife.
birds.
Yeah,
It takes a lot of. It
yeah.
takes a lot of. Yeah, that's done too. So running on to the next question, who influenced you to actually become a photographer? There might be someone, right? There might be an idol, or it won't just strikes you.
Uh,
Who did you actually take yourself as an idol?
See, I don't have an idol, but I can say mm I have a mentor who guided me regarding what is photography, how to operate a camera. He is a senior photojournalist for an international news agency.
Oh, okay. That's great.
Yeah,
That's great. So moving on, like you said that you have a mentor and he more of kind of taught you things. So what kind of
yeah.
how is your workplace? We would want to know how your workplace exactly is. Like what kind of friends you are, like what your workplace is, and tell me something about your workplace. Am I audible?
Workplace, as in, I'm sorry, yeah, you're audible, but I'm not getting the question very properly.
Okay. So my question is, tell us something about your workplace. Like how's the environment in your workplace?
Workplace.
How exactly?
So the environment on the field is like very awesome. Everyone are like treating me as equal as how I am. I feel like okay treated over there. They don't treat me that chalo I'm a trans or something. But they give me that acceptance and that treatment equally. They are all equal with me. I don't feel myself that I am getting discriminated amongst them. Although we have a male population a lot, but still they give me that proper this thing.
So that means by saying there is, although there's a lot of male population there, so that means a trans woman basically, finds a lot of difficulties with the male population rather than the female population, or is it something like that?
Yeah,
Okay, got it. Super. Okay, so I'm really happy because of your workplace and something about us, like what I mean. I ran you through a few questions. I would just take a minute and tell you what actually we did with our trans family. So we at Tatvamasi basically spend time. Our main goal is spending time rather than giving donations and everything. We go there, spend time, give our shoulders to cry, and a lot more. So that is our main aim. Okay. Yeah. So what happened recently, like because of the lockdown, we were providing food and all that for a lot of people, like daily wage workers and everybody. And one thing that hit us is where did all the trans family go? Where did all the trans community go? Where exactly are they? So that time when we started providing, some groceries and all for them, that's when we realized that a
Uh,
trans woman, not just it's as in the society they face a lot more than just food, right? So we have also taken a documentary and we have actually portrayed all that. So that time we kind of understood that how people look at them and what exactly is happening. So I'm sure in some time everybody will be on the same boat where we
I
can,
would suggest one suggestion to y'all.
yeah,
I would suggest, as y'all have this Tatvamasi ka the page, or y'all have the group, I would suggest y'all to appoint few volunteers from your group.
hmm,
Those volunteers, give them a project to spread awareness amongst the family people
okay,
around them.
okay,
So if
yeah,
a volunteer is staying in a particular colony or in a building or in a chawl, so how much our family is around that volunteer's house, give that particular volunteer a project where that volunteer will start educating those family people about transgenders and LGBTQIA. Slow, according to this idea or this technique, the family peoples will start changing and they'll start accepting the trans community. As this thing starts, the society will also start accepting. If you all
yeah,
take this initiative, I hope in future others will also start. And Tatvamasi ka the chain which is there, which is in, you are based in, sorry, if you can tell me, where are you based from? Kerala.
Bangalore,
Hello.
Bangalore,
Bangalore. Yeah. So if
Bangalore.
Tatvamasi is based in, yeah, if Tatvamasi is based in Bangalore, I can say by 2025, Tatvamasi will have as much as many branches in India
Yes,
with this same idea and with this same project. This is a small suggestion from my side, you know.
it's actually
So
great. It's
in
a
this
great
way,
idea.
you will help our community people also, and even society will get change, and we would also get that much of acceptance in the society. And for the coming generation, if there is a trans LGBTQI person, if there is a lesbian, a gay in any of the family, so that coming generation will get that much of acceptance through y'all.
Yeah,
If
we
you
are
all
actually
can
trying
do this
our
small
best.
small yeah, this is a small suggestion, a small idea from me.
This
If
is
you
a
could convey
beautiful
my
idea.
this message,
Yeah,
yeah, if you can convey my this message to your CEO or the senior person, it would be more
okay,
better.
that's okay.
Yeah.
You're directly conveyed it to the CEO, so I'll take
Oh,
care of that.
oh, great. Yeah, yeah,
Yeah,
yeah, yeah.
so
Yeah,
I'll be
you
doing that.
just yeah, you all just have a group meeting amongst your group people, and you just give this message amongst them, and then you all decide how you all can work on it.
Super.
So, from this message came from my heart. It's been not scripted anywhere, or it's not been written anywhere, but it came from here, from the heart. So I just spoke with you on the live,
Okay,
and I'll try
so
my best to get this idea worked out everywhere.
beautiful. And before I would, start off with my next question, since you gave such a beautiful idea, why not be the brand ambassador of your idea with Tatvamasi? So we would, because we can reach out to more people, and there'll be a lot more when it's coming through you. It's coming from an idol. It's a lot more. It has a lot more effect. So we'll launch the project and you can be our brand ambassador so that we can
Sure, sure. Why not?
get that things done. So I'll talk about the deal
Yeah.
later and I'll just go with the questions.
Yeah. You can go with
So
the question. Yeah.
yeah. So I've heard this one thing. So, I know the name, but I want you to tell more about it. So when one of them had offered you to join journalism, one of them had offered you to join their
Sorry.
office. One of them had you know offered you to join journalism and their office. How did that moment feel? Because I've read that you're from a lower middle class family, and even for food, it was it's a very difficult time for you. So how did that feel? How was that boom in your head that, oh damn, this is what
For
happened?
me, it was a very proud moment, and like I was like very surprised that I got this chance because journalism is that portal where I can convey lots of messages. Lots of people have their voices which have been been packed or been shut, and I feel I can be their mic to convey their message to the people who are there who need to listen their voice and to work on it. Or I can be that camera where I can cover that footage, the person who's going through that crisis or through that pain, and can show it to the world or to the people who can understand that person's pain and can really work or really can guide that person.
Okay, so that might have been a really proud moment, right? When you get offered to work. Great. So let's go on to our next question. So one thing I actually wanted to ask you from my side. Yeah. So what exactly is, even I capture a few pictures sometimes, and I'm also into photography. I like doing photography sometimes. I go here and there and capture. So like we also spoke about the wildlife photography. There's a lot of things that right time, the lighting. It all depends on the nature. Mostly depends on the nature because you need a right time. You need the right lighting. You need everything right. So
Yeah.
you might have you at that point of time we actually needed a really good mentor who can tell us everything because you're totally out from you're not at all something that was inside a journalism or photography background. So how did that journey happen? Like how long did you take to learn and how was it when you actually captured your first best photo, which you were really proud of?
the day I'll tell you, I captured so many images, and the day I had met my mentor after a long time, when the thing happened, I was in my area, I was capturing some pictures, and I didn't knew my mentor was in, he was on one of the bridges. There was a
Oh,
bridge, and I was under that bridge. I was capturing some few sparrows, and he was on top. He was capturing some other thing. So when he came from top down, he came, he met me. So I told him, sir, please see my Instagram photos. So he saw one of the photo. There is one bee sitting on that flower. So I have captured that image, and the background has been gone totally blur, and the image is in proper sharp way. So he said, amongst all images in Instagram, I liked this the one, and that was a very proud moment for me. It took a little long time, but the time your mentor comments on your image or gives you a review, you are more inspired, and I got to learn a lot from that, and like I was very happy for that particular day that my
okay,
mentor liked my particular picture.
that's
Yeah.
great. Okay, that's great. So next question. Being a first, especially following a gender-based section of the society, would have been really challenging and overwhelming. Like it, because as a first journalist, there is something very new because you're setting a lot of examples right over there for a lot of trans women out there
So
who want to come out.
I can tell you that when there was one of the CM's swearing ceremony, I'm a trans photojournalist. So there were all male and female photographers as well as journalists and reporters were there, and all big ministers, male females were there. but I was the only one to visit that particular place. So that time I was like very stressed and worried that uh, might these people allow me or not, how they will behave with me and all. But everything was okay and cool. I got a proper entry and everything was very well.
Okay. So that means that okay. So that means that there was a support outside. It was not just
Yeah,
okay. That's great. So okay, how did you cope up with all this? There are so many things like again being the first one from the lot. How did you manage to cope up? Like how did you get that courage? You know? Yeah, yeah.
I'm not keeping well.
Are you okay?
I'm
Please take
apparently
some
I'm not
water.
keeping well from apparently from few days I'm not keeping well. I'm trying myself to recover myself. So
Okay.
yeah.
Want to take some
So
water? Water, water.
no, I'll take it later.
Yeah.
So the thing which encourages me a lot is like the motivational videos, the motivational songs, and people who give motivational speeches. Those motivational speeches and those videos and songs encourages me a lot. Even if
Oh,
there is a time when a time comes where I feel that I'm losing myself, those videos and those speeches helps me a lot
okay. So you
to
you
move
listen to a lot
ahead.
of podcasts and all that, is it?
Podcast I can say, or videos, moreover videos on YouTube. So I in my life I've gone through so much of gone through so much of struggle in a ground level way, where experiencing those things I get that much of encouragement to work on the field, to
Okay.
understand person's pain. I can understand that
Okay.
if a particular person can do, then why cannot I?
Okay. Yeah, exactly. It's exactly. Yeah.
Just
So
give me a minute. I'll just have some
yeah.
water.
Yeah, sure, 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 sure. Please, please, please.
काय जरा वो जूता मेरा उधर अंदर कर देना हेलो
Yeah. Are you feeling better?
या
Okay. Great. So yeah, getting back to the questions. So you are a self motivator as well as you watch videos, right? For some motivation. So do you stay with your parents? Are you currently living with your parents?
no, my parents are no more. I have my elder sister who's married, and like after 11 years we started talking to each other.
Oh, okay, that's great. Okay,
Yeah,
so you
she
speak
she
your elder sister, no?
accepted me. Yeah, we talk to each other on WhatsApp chat. Not physically, but we talk to each other on WhatsApp chat.
Okay. Hope you guys meet soon and
Yeah,
talk. Okay,
yeah,
that's great.
yeah.
So again, you also mentioned a lot about your life, and we have seen so many of your interviews, news channels capturing you, a lot of things. So right now you are at a spotlight, and there's a lot of people that are actually taking inspiration from you, including us. So at this point of time, what do you tell people from your side? Like, how do you want people to actually react to the trans women community, maybe be it LGBTQA, any community? How do you want people to react to them? What exactly do you guys want from your community? Is a question. Like, what exactly
I
do you want
want
from
more.
us?
The the main thing is that the society and the community should the society should help our trans community people, and they should understand their pain, through what pain they have gone through, or what mental harassment they have gone through. because the thing, you know what, our trans people are more in lacking with the family acceptance. Family didn't
Yeah.
accept it, society didn't accept it. So if the society gives them that, encouragement, or society encourages them that no, instead of begging, you have a talent and you can also do this thing and you can also go ahead. Our society starts encouraging them, our society gives them a chance. So moreover, our trans community people, instead of begging, they would get a good opportunities in different forms. If there is a trans who is a good writer, she might get a content writing occupation. If there is any trans who's a choreographer, she might get a good choreography work. If there are any trans who's artist, she can even paint, you know. So there are transgenders, or there are our community people also who are very much talented in different work, artwork. So our
Exactly.
society needs to encourage them and, give them that push. See, that person from that journalism field, or from that news line, he only gave me a little push, but it was me who had that much of, strong
Yeah.
this thing that, Arey, this is interesting, this is interesting, this is interesting. I started showing my interest into this field, and I made my way and my journey that far, and trying my level best to go far.
You will. You definitely will. And
Yeah.
yeah, because it's something very different out of the box. Like when we had also approached a lot of trans women, we know what kind of work they actually do, how hard it is to go to signals and make begging the way of life. That is not at all acceptable, especially if it is, especially because of your, if something that you are not in control of, your gender is not in your control, so it's not something that you choose, right? So
So as
we
y'all
just,
as y'all in Bangalore, y'all are working on transgenders. I
yeah,
can suggest y'all one more thing. Again, one more suggestion. Sorry, y'all
no
can
problem.
give them a get together for them. Y'all, I know they won't gather that fast, but if y'all keep them a small get together and y'all give them a small talk, and over there where y'all can ask them that today it's your day. Today y'all have to showcase your talent. Today it's your opportunity. It's your platform. Whatever whatever talent y'all have, whatever art y'all have in y'all, whatever that creativity y'all have in y'all, this is the platform. Y'all can showcase it over here. Y'all can write it over here, or y'all can, voice recorded over here. We will try our level best how we can help you all to get into that art, and through that, how we can help you all to move ahead.
So yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so we are
Yeah.
actually kind of doing those kind of outpacing talents. Like we have a community of like 40 trans women who are really dear to us, and it took us almost 6 months to even have a talk with them. They were aggressive in the beginning, but later on they became really close to us. So see, what the real talk is, as a person, as me going and telling that this is what you can do, this is what you can do, is not going to work out that much. But as a trans woman, as a person who has gone through something like that, people like you, inspirations like you, have to take a better step. Like you guys can go and gather somebody and tell them this is what you can do, guys. See, I'm coming because you all have come through that point. We don't know how you exactly feel. Sometimes being a girl and being a boy itself is a very big deal. Like me being a boy, I get so many emotions. And other hand, girls being a girl, they get a lot of emotions. Now, if it is mixed, we understand the kind of we totally understand, and it might be really difficult. So only an inspiration like you, a lot of inspiration like how you are doing. There are IPS officers, there are dancers, there are beautiful singers. So I would want to make a suggestion in that case. Like we would want to collaborate with beautiful trans women like you who are so inspirational to us, and we would want to make a firm wherein we tell our beloved trans women who are still making their living out of begging, and who still think that okay, sex work and begging is the only thing that we can do. no. So we would want all of you to get on the platform and actually tell them that yes, you can do it. So that's something that will hit them like a different thing is what I feel. So moving on to that, like there are a lot of things that you told that yes, we can try this, we can try that, and all that. Uh, are, do you stay in a group of trans women or is it a co-living?
I say myself individual
Okay. So you don't have any
because
trans women friends?
I have a group, but I often to go and visit them because the thing is that according to my profession, it's like whenever there is a call, I need to run.
Okay, got it.
Whenever there is a work, I need to run, and then in my work there is no time limit.
Hmm. Yeah, there's no time
It's
limit.
like
Exactly.
joining time is perfect, joining time is a must, but living time is unexpected.
Yeah, I totally understand. So that comes to a, that comes to another thing that you have joined your new job today, right? You had your first day of
Yeah.
work.
No, apparently there is a break on it. Like there is a still recruitment work is happening on that. So soon it will be. I'll be pursuing on it. So I have a still 1 week I think so, 1 or 2 weeks time. So in that 1 or 2 weeks, I am trying my level best as much as Insta Live or as much as other assignments which are on the way. I could complete them and can get free.
And what exactly is this job? Like the one which you're actually waiting to get on.
So it's a job of a warden, and it's a shelter home for LGBTQ people and for transgenders. And it's a shelter home as well as over there there'll be I can say skill development programs too for trans women and for trans men and for gay lesbians and transgenders also. So for them, and my duty would be as a warden over there. I have to look after the house and as well as to
Great.
the people, and as well as with that I'll be also teaching them few tips regarding photography or like regarding camera, how to operate it, and like I'll be keep on motivating them over there.
Oh, that's great. Okay, so this is a Mumbai based, is it?
Yeah, it's a Mumbai based, it's a Tweet Foundation organization.
Okay, that's great. Okay. So all the best for your new job and hope you really get it really,
Yeah,
really soon. And I think your
thank you.
cough is getting a little worse, so let's wrap it up. I don't want to,
Yeah,
make it bad for your health. So it was
yeah,
great
because
having you
due
here.
to due to cough, I'm having a little headache issue. So from afternoon it started because from morning it was all okay. From like 2 days before it was all okay, but suddenly it started paining in my head and like you know it's like constantly looking at the camera. It
Yeah, yeah.
goes
So
little
that's totally
yeah
understand. Thank you so much for staying
yeah
still, even though you have so many issues. So thanks a lot. We had a great time with you, and I've got a lot of insights. So inspirational, and looking forward for that one collaboration with you, wherein be a face of Tatomasi
sure
telling
sure sure
transformer out there.
yeah
Yeah.
sure one day
Definitely.
I'll be there on I'll yeah Ragha Tabbu. Yeah, Raga Tabbu, thank you so much. I'll surely take care. And your messages were great. I'll sure Raga Tabbu, my ID is there, Zoya slash Lobo. You can just follow me on Instagram. Just send me hi. I'll follow you back. And yeah, we can have a Zoom meeting. We'll have a Zoom meeting session where on big screen you can, I can speak to those people. You can have call them one day, and like in whichever language, if they are okay, or in English or which language, because I cannot speak the South language as well as I cannot understand, but I like the South language a lot. But I'll try my best to convince them and like to spread this message.
Yeah. Great. So even sorry, last question. Even about vaccination, a lot of trans women out there are little skeptical about it because even when we had approached our people, our trans community that we know, they were a little skeptical about taking the vaccination. So this video, a lot of trans women might watch. Uh, there are a lot of trans women that are following us, and they might watch. So just a one suggestion from you: could you please tell them that you can get vaccinated, and it is going to help them
I
also, because
I
most of them are very
myself
small.
I myself am vaccinated. I took my first dose and my second dose is I think so in this month only, might come in this month or in the next month it's going to be. So vaccination is the better thing for us. It's nothing like something dangerous or we are getting something. Or 1 day or 2 day ka slight fever we get or slight pain is there in your hand, but it's everything okay. It's going to help you all. If in future, God knows, if you all get a chance to travel somewhere and if you all don't have your vaccination certificate with you all, then it would be an issue for you all. But if you all have your certificate, you will be not facing that issue. And if any organization or if anyone is helping you all with a vaccination, that would be more better for you all. So I would tell all my trans people to go and get yourself vaccinated. Vaccination is good for your health.
Okay. So thank you so much again, Zoya. We had a really great
Yeah,
time with you, and thank you for all of the inspiration, those ideas, and everything. We'll try our best to can come out with the ideas
work
and
on it.
help the
Yeah,
people
yeah.
as much as
Sure,
possible
sure,
with all
sure,
you
sure.
guys' help. So thank you so much again for joining our live. Bye bye. Take care.
Bye bye. See you. Take care. Bye.
Thank you.